Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how to iterate over a list in chunks. To iterate over a list in chunks, you can use Python's built-in slicing and loop functionality. Here's an example of how you can do it. In this example, the LST parameter is the list you want to iterate over, and chunk_size is the size of each chunk. The yield statement returns each chunk of the list as a separate list. Here's an example of how you can use the function. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. Note that the last chunk may have a size smaller than the specified chunk_size if the length of the list is not divisible by chunk_size. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.